Alright, here we go, guys. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be working on Galaxy, cleaning up the carbon Alcantara steering wheel I have. I've had it for a few months and I haven't cleaned it yet, and it's always good to keep that clean. You don't want to get it matted down too much before you clean it, because then you'll just create more trouble for yourself. So I thought this might be a good video for you guys, so let's get into it. Alrighty guys, so I'm going to be using Sonax. I don't know if you guys ever heard of this, but it's a cleaner, carpet, Alcantara, upholstery, all that stuff. You want to stay on top of cleaning this because you don't want it to get matted down and get real bad. So you can see I got some dirt on there. So first thing you're going to want to do is remove all the dirt with a brush or a vacuum. Okay you guys, so I just got a soft toothbrush here for the dirt part, and we're just going to brush all the dirt off of the wheel, because you don't try and get all the dirt off before you go and clean it, so you're not rubbing dirt and everything in there. You want to be very gentle. As you guys know, this stuff's very sensitive. You could damage it pretty easily. That's why I really try not to touch it that much, so I don't have to clean it as much. Really, you should probably wear gloves when you're driving with this because of how delicate it is. There is a lot of dirt on here. Man, I waited too long probably. Be very gentle, guys. Get all this crud off before we get the cleaner on it. Alright. Now we're finished with the brush step, and we'll move on to the next. Alright guys, so I just got a microfiber towel and got some warm water and got it a little bit damp. Now, if your wheel isn't too bad, you can just clean it like this. Just blot it with a little bit of a damp microfiber towel. Be very gentle. You don't want to rub it to get all the excess dirt off. Mine's not that bad. I probably wouldn't even need to use the cleaner, but for the video I'm gonna use the cleaner. If you guys don't have one of these, I highly recommend buying one. Burns Auto has a selection of them, all different types of colors, and they have the best pricing on them. And you can use my code STI_418 and that'll get you 10% off your order. Okay, now after this is the damp towel, and I have a dry microfiber towel now that we can take and dry it just like this. But if your wheel was worse and wasn't really clean to start, you're gonna have to take an extra step and use that Sonax that I bought. I'm going to show you guys how to apply that here. Alright guys, so now that we got the Alcantara steering wheel all clean that way. You could use a brush like this to get the Alcantara to stand back up. You don't want to leave it matted down. It'll all be discolored then, so you just... Oh, there's a piece of hair on it. Dang it. You just take this brush and brush it so the Alcantara stands back up. Alright guys, and we're going to see what this Sonax does. Alcantara cleaner. Shake it well. It's a foam. It'll come out as a foam, and then we're going to put it on a applicator pad and rub it in evenly. You want to make sure it's all even. Put a little bit on my applicator pad here. And as evenly as possible. A little bit more. Get some down there. Some on the back side. Remember guys, be as gentle as you can. Alcantara is super sensitive. Okay, and it's looking pretty good. So now that we got the Sonax applied, we're supposed to leave that on there for 5 to 10 minutes. Alright guys, it's been about 5 to 10 minutes now for the Sonax on the steering wheel there. Now we're going to take a clean, dry microfiber towel and dry it up. Get as much of the Sonax as you can off of there. Okay. Now I have a soft brush I bought with the Sonax that they suggested to go with it, and this is where you get the Alcantara to stand back up, so it's all the same color again, and pretty and soft. Be very delicate, or be very easy with it. This stuff's very delicate. That looks pretty good. Here's some carbon. Burns Auto. Look at that puppy. Probably can't tell a difference, but on camera. But I can tell in person it's cleaner, it's nicer. So guys, if you enjoyed that, please give it a thumbs up. Alright guys, catch you on the next one. It's going to be a good one.